Hey, hi, hello, this is Saravana from A for Analytics, and today we're going to see about how to clear the data model cache in Power BI Desktop. Stay tuned. Alright, in this PBX file, we have around 7 tables. So each one represents the real estate investment business, and I'm gonna go for a proposal decline report. So now Uh, so we have a feature in Power BI called Performance Analyzer. So which you get it in View tab, and when you click the Performance Analyzer, you will get a window. So we usually use Performance Analyzer to record how much time each component of the report is taking in a millisecond, and that leads us to a total loading report. So in order to reduce the loading time, we use Performance Analyzer to reduce the number of seconds to re-return the DAX, removing the DAX, look at the filters, look at the unwatered fields. So we do all this stuff. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start the recording, and if we start the recording, it needs to be we need to do some interaction between the reports. So let's say we can change some filter. So I'm gonna change the filter. So which will generate a list of components for each element in the report that has different parameters. So I'm gonna sort it out by DAX query, and I'm gonna descending it, and if we click the table, and this table, the whole table is taking around 24 milliseconds, which is very small. It is very small. 24 is not a very big number, but when we deal with gigabytes of database, this DAX query will take a lot of time, and that will cause the loading time of report. So if we want to clear the cache, so we're going to do it in a different way. There are a lot of ways to do that, but there is a tool called DAX Studio, which will be very much useful to clear the cache, data model cache. So I'm going to open a Data Studio, and I'm going to select PBI SSDT model, and I have two reports open, so it automatically takes the open reports in the desktop. So I'm going to use the decline report and select, and if you select, it's gonna show you the list of tables you have in the table, have in the model. And so in the home, you see the clear cache for the current database. So if I click it, you can have a look at it, this output area. If I click it, I will get a duration. Your cache is cleared for this database, for this report. And again, I go back to here and do a refresh visual, to see. And I did a refresh, and it reduces to around 15 seconds from 25 to 15, which is a good one. It's not a very good one, it's a good one. So we just clear the cache, and we see the DAX query has been optimized, not optimized, which is reduced to 10 milliseconds for this table. And we can do tremendous stuff with this DAX performance analyzer and DAX Studios combines, and we'll post those videos in our YouTube channel soon. And yeah, thank you so much. I'm looking forward for the next video. See you.